In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dispersion text effect in Canva. This fun and creative technique can add a dynamic element to your design projects, and all it takes is just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get started with this exciting tutorial. First off, go ahead and open up Canva. If you haven't already signed up, you'll want to create an account, but most of you will probably already be familiar and have that step taken care of. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Now, let's click on the Create a Design button. You'll typically find this in the top right corner of the screen. Once you click it, you'll see a variety of options depending on what type of design you're aiming for, but feel free to select any that suits your project. Now it's time to add some text. So head over to the side panel and click on Text. You'll want to insert your chosen word or phrase here. It can be anything you like, so get creative. After adding your text, make sure it's large enough to work with, around the size that fills a good portion of the design, and ensure that it's centered. This way, it stands out nicely and lays the groundwork for that dispersion effect we're aiming to create. Next, it's important to prepare the text for the effect. You'll want to select your text box and duplicate it. This duplicated text is going to be used for the dispersion later on, so keep it handy for the upcoming steps. Now, we'll start to create the dispersion effect itself. Head on over to the Elements tab on the sidebar and type in Dispersion in the search bar. Here, you should see a range of dispersion style graphics to choose from. Find one that complements your design and gives off the fragmented look. Select your duplicated text again, and this time, think of how you want the text to appear as if it is vanishing with the dispersion effect. Once you've got that idea in mind, place the dispersion graphic over where you want the text to appear as disappearing. You'll want to play around a bit with its position until it looks just right. The real trick to nailing this effect is in the transparency and color adjustments. You may need to modify these settings to ensure everything aligns seamlessly. Look for the transparency slider in the toolbar and adjust it to blend the text and dispersion to your liking. Adjust the color if necessary, so both elements fuse together effortlessly. And there you have it. Once you're satisfied with how your dispersion text effect looks, it's time to click on Share in the top right corner and download your masterpiece as a PNG file. This format helps maintain quality and supports transparency, making your design ready to show off. We're done. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and now you can amaze others with this cool new effect in Canvas. Thanks for watching.